So yeah, I haven't really been playing with this thing. It's been sitting here, but here today I play with it a lot. Kind of getting the hang of things. All these controls here change the sound, make sweepable sounds. So I turn that knob down. So yeah, that's how you do that. Then we go back to reverb right here. And then we can turn the time back up. But yeah, it's pretty fun. I like playing with it. Like I said, I have not even touched this thing yet, meaning I haven't even went through all the sounds. When I turn this knob, I'm getting a different sound. That one's called Twilight ET. There's a voice. There's a voice one there. It's called a chore. Doesn't say, but I know what it is. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I can be here all day showing you guys that. Yeah, it's fun. I actually haven't been playing on it, so it's been sitting for a couple days. But I just got on it today and started playing with it. It's not hard to do. Just get in there and just fucking push shit. I mean, you're gonna make a sound no matter what you do. So that's it.